Hey guys, it's Brittany. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I have another human hair curly half wig for you guys. And today's video is brought to you by ISEE Hair. Shout out to them for sponsoring today's video. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this wig together and seeing a few styles, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, welcome back. I'm going to start off the video with some unboxing for you guys, and I'll put that on the screen as I am telling you guys the specs on this wig. So as far as the specs go, this is the ISEE Hair Kinky Curly Half Wig, and I have it in 18 inches. And I have went ahead and washed this wig, so it's freshly washed. It has, you will see like the overlay of the unboxing of this video. But this wig comes with a comb in the front, a comb in the back. It comes with adjustable straps, a comb on the right and left side of the wig, and an adjustable drawstring. So I appreciate the adjustable drawstring because it gives the wig some added security. So here is what the wig looks like after it's been washed. It did have a smell to it, so I definitely wanted to go ahead and wash it. So last time I styled a curly human hair half wig, I styled it, like clumped the curls and everything off of my head. I think I'm gonna try to do it on my head and see if that's easier, because when I did it off my head, I still had to come back and style some of the curls because it was styled on my mannequin head instead of mine, so it wasn't molded exactly to my head. So I'm gonna unravel my hair in the front and place the wig behind it. And my hair is not like freshly washed or anything. It actually has product in it in the front. And I'll probably have to get that out before I decide to blend it with this. Okay, so I have the wig here, and even though I unraveled my hair, I still twisted it back down to put the wig on. So I'm gonna place this comb in the front and put the combs on the side, and I'm gonna adjust the strap in the back, the drawstring, and tuck that under. And of course I'm gonna style a flip over because I just think that looks good. And I'm gonna do the curls before I do anything else. Well, I'm gonna style the wig's curls before I do my own hair. And I'm gonna use the Shea Moisture Frizz-Free Curl Mousse. I love this unbrushed, by the way. It was like viral on TikTok a few years ago, and I finally got one, and it's really good. I use it on my curly wigs, but I also use it on my natural hair as well. So I just put the product on the hair and I just twirl it around one of my fingers, and then the hair just naturally curls up. But this just kind of defines the curls more to me when I help it with my finger. So I'm going to do that all over the head, and I'll come back when I start to do my own hair. Okay, so I have the actual wig. It's probably like 80% dry, but I'm going to work on my natural hair. And during the process of me diffusing the wig, my blow dryer I usually use is fried, I think. But I have a backup blow dryer, so it's fine. So I'm going to pin the wig back so I can work on my leave out. And if you watched my other half wig video, or if you watched how I blend my hair with curly clip-ins last year when my hair was really short, you don't have to have a lot of hair to blend with half wigs and stuff. You don't need a lot of hair. You just have to, I would recommend it being your same hair color, at least at the roots, and making sure it's a similar texture to your hair, because I don't like blending my hair with silky textures or straight textures, because that's not what my hair naturally looks like. So even before I start to work on like the length of my hair, I'm going to go ahead and get my edges together. So what I like to do is map out my edges with clear gel like this. This is the Extreme Wet Line gel. So I map out my hair, my edges and stuff with this just to kind of mold it. So I put this on first, and I take my edge brush and I start to gel my edges back. And this is the point where I gel them back, and then I start to decide if I want, you know, more like curves and stuff like that. So my hair is going to be falling over here. So if I wanted curves and all that stuff, I would do it on this side. So I took a piece of my edges out, and I'm just going to swoop it. Well, you know what? I'm probably going to do edges all across the front because I'm going to, you know, style this up a little bit. Do 3 styles. So this helps me map out everything before I put on my actual edge control, because the edge control will lock it in. Right now this doesn't have a firm hold, so my edges will like revert faster. So this is just like step 1. And I'm going to use my Kiss Colors and Care Edge Fixer. So this is going to pretty much like lock it in and keep the edges in place. So I'm just kind of putting it on top and pressing it in, because the gel kind of did the heavy lifting. Okay, so I got the edges in place. So now I'm going to work on my natural hair. So I'm just going to be mixing that same extreme gel with my Shea Moisture Frizz-Free Curl Mousse. So I'll take a section of that and put the curl mousse on it. And then for definition and hold, I'll put some of this gel on there. And I'll just twirl it around my finger. And I'm going to do that all around the front, and I'll be back when I start to... after I do this process, I'm going to go ahead and like blow dry the front and start blending it with the wig. Alright, so I've done my finger coils in the front with my natural hair, and if I didn't have this wig on, this is exactly how I do my finger coils. I'll gel my edges down, and then I'll do my little finger coils. Okay, let me see if I like how that looks. Alright, so I'm gonna blow dry the front of my hair, and then I'll come back. Alright, and there are like tons of ways you can blend your short hair into the wig. You can... I did this last year when I did curly clip-ins and my hair was, you know, short. I twisted my roots into the wig. You can do that as well. Or you can do it this way. And all I do is I take my hair and just push it into the root of the wig. So you're essentially kind of doing the same thing, but you're not like, you don't have to do all that twisting. Just pushing it into the root and hiding it and kind of finessing that way. And just fluffing it so it hides it as well. My hair is still a little bit wet, so I'm gonna... And if you have to get some bobby pins involved, you can do that. Because I have some hair that's kind of like sticking up. So I'm probably gonna push it in there. And I'm going to turn my blow dryer back on and dry the rest of the hair and do my makeup off camera, and I'll be back. But this is what it's looking like right now. It looks pretty cute. I just have to just make sure everything's blended, because I have this one piece that doesn't want to blend in. Okay, so I have done my makeup and my hair is all the way dry. And I feel like my hair just blends very well. I think it's very pretty. Like, I think that looks really good. So I'm just going to fluff the wig out a little bit more to bring some more volume to the wig. And I'm kind of focusing at the root area and at the top. I don't have any open mouth like bobby pins, but I kind of... It's something I need to get just in case, you know, for blending, because the flat bobby pins don't really work with this particular style. Of course it works with lace wigs and stuff, but if I'm trying to kind of blend two pieces of hair with a wig, it's better to have like an open mouth bobby pin. This is stunning. Like, it looks so good. I'm trying not to fluff it out, like lose the integrity of the curls, because this curl pattern is so gorgeous, so fluffy. This is so pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm back. You guys saw the unboxing. You saw how I styled the curls and how I blended my natural hair, my short natural hair, with this wig. And this is so gorgeous. Like, stunning. It blends so well with my hair. And my hair is short, as I told you guys, and it looks amazing with this wig. This is so beautiful. And it's very fluffy. The texture that I have, this is a kinky curly texture. I'll have all the specs either on the screen or in the description box for you guys. This wig is only $143. And this is with the natural 180% density. Price point for this wig is really good and affordable. That is a steal for a look like this. I feel like this is so natural, effortless, and gorgeous. And I like how I did my little edges and everything. I think I blended it very well. So I am gonna do just a couple of simple styles for you guys, even though I really don't want to change up anything, because this is just so pretty already. Of course, I'm gonna do a headband, because that's just easy and realistic, just to wear it with a headband. I think I got this I don't know. I think I got this headband from like CVS or something a couple years ago. Any headband you have on hand, just use it. Easy, quick style. You don't even have to blend your hair when you got a headband. Gel your edges back, and then that's the look. And that's super cute. Okay, so the last time I did a curly headband, a curly half wig, it was like my take on a half up, half down style for my hair length, but I'm probably gonna try to do like a full on one if I can with my hair, because my hair, that's probably why I did it, because my hair is too short. Like, it's hard for me to do a full on one. I have to use bobby pins. I can't use a ponytail holder, because it's like my hair is short. So I essentially have to just kind of gather certain pieces and just bobby pin it for it to work. It's gonna look very similar to the other style that I did, but my hair has so much product in it. But we're gonna make it work. So I'm just gathering hair and twisting it. When I did it in the other video, I just used bobby pins, and you can just do that without twisting your hair. I'm gonna enlist the help of more gel to get this right, since I've done that other like all down style. I'll go back to using some gel to mold it. So if you're somebody with short hair, don't be intimidated. You just have to have some workarounds. Like, we can't put our hair in a ponytail, but we can finesse and it still look super, super cute. And I'm just taking a bobby pin and I'm going to pin it at the root. I'm going to do it a couple times one way and then do it in the opposite direction as well. See how that works. I got some good wigs for the summertime. Like, I'm set. Carefree curls. Oh, this is so cute. And then, yes, it is similar to how I styled the other half wig, but I got minimal hair, okay? And I did see Kyra Shine. She twisted up the front of her hairline and then put the curly wig on the back, so you can do that too. Watch her video. That was really cute. That was a cute style. But this is my go-to here, a little pinned up situation, and it looks so cute. Oh, I love this. Seriously. Okay guys, so you saw all the little styles I did, just simple. This modified version of a half up, half down style. Styling options are endless, but I went with my go-to styles in this video again. I feel like I'm really going to be reaching for this wig a lot. Human hair half wigs, I'm here for them. They just got to be my texture. And this one isn't like exactly my texture, but it's good enough. And I know how to finesse with product. Okay? So if you're interested in this wig from ISEE Hair or any of the wigs that they have on their website, I'll have it linked down below. I have the specs on this wig down below, and if they have any coupon codes, I have them down there for you guys as well. And any of the products I use to get this wig together, they will be down there as well. So shout out to you guys for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys. Thank you.